Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist, YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria, and you are welcome to the part 3 of our Beginner's Face Glam Series. And in this part today, we're going to be looking at the different parts of the face and the makeup terminologies associated with those parts of the face, so that when we go into the parts 4 and the parts 5, which are practical makeup application, when I say apply this on your cheeks, apply this on the top of your cheekbones, apply this on the bridge of your nose, apply this on your cupid's bow, you know exactly what I am talking about, because you must have seen 1 or 2 makeup videos and they are just talking, you are saying them, okay, this is what this means, this is what this means, but sometimes along the line you can get carried away and just get confused. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be breaking down the different parts of the face and teaching you the makeup terminologies associated with those parts of the face. If this is a content you would like to see, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. All right guys, so wow, we are on part 3 of our Beginner's Face Glam Series. Part 1, we talked about the face brushes and tools you're going to be needing for your practical. The part 2 of our Beginner's Face Glam Series, we talked about the products that you are going to be needing for your practical application of your face glam. And in this part 3 today, we are going to be talking about the different parts of the face and the makeup terminologies associated with those parts of the face. Shortly now, a picture is going to appear on screen and you're going to be seeing neatly labeled from, oh my gosh, someone is doing a horn fest right outside my gate here. Please pardon that. You're going to be seeing neatly labeled from part 1 to part 11 the different parts of the face. Neatly labeled number 1, you can see where you have those dark brown lines on the perimeter of the face. That is called the temples. So when I say this goes on your temple, that is what I mean. Okay, where you have number 2, you are seeing that brown line at the side of the nose. That is also called the side of the nose. You already know what your nose is. You can see that brown line with the arrow leading to side of the nose. So when I say you are going to apply this on the side of the nose, that is what I mean. You can see number 3 neatly labeled under the eye. Under the eye, you can see the yellow color there under the eye. So when we say apply the concealer under the eye, apply the setting powder under the eye, dust out product from under the eye, that is what we mean by under the eye. Neatly labeled in number 4, you can see where you have that brown contour color leading up to number 4, and you have under the cheekbones. That part of the face directly under the cheek is called under the cheekbones. That is where you're going to be applying your cream contour and your powder contour. Okay, now we go on to number 5, where you see that brown contour product on the face from the arrow straight to jawline, and you're seeing number 5. That area covered in that picture is called the jawline. The jawline at the bottom part of the face. So whenever we say apply this product on the jawline, that is what we mean. Now we go on to the other part of the face. You are seeing middle of chin. You are seeing that where you have the highlight color. So when we are saying apply your highlighter in the middle of your chin, that is what we mean. Now, number 7, you are seeing Cupid's bow. Cupid's bow. That bow shape on the top lips, on your upper lip. You can see that little small curve, bow shape on your upper lip. That is what we call the Cupid's bow. That is what we call the Cupid's bow. Now we go on to number 8. You are seeing where you have that whitish highlight color, that is called the cheekbones. Most times it's on the cheekbones that you apply your highlighter just to bring some some dimension to the face, just to highlight some parts of your face. Okay, now you have number 9, bridge of the nose. You can see the arrow pointing towards the center part of the nose, where you have that whitish highlight color. That is what we mean by bridge of the nose. So when we say, oh, this concealer goes on the bridge of the nose, this highlight shade goes on the bridge of the nose, that is what we mean by bridge of the nose. And then we have number 10, and we are saying top of the brows. Top of the brows. It can also be described as top of the eyebrows. So whenever we say, oh, blend out properly the top of the brows, properly blend out the top of the eyebrows, take this product over the top of the brows, take this product over the top of the eyebrows, that is what we mean by top of the eyebrows. And then you have number 11, where you have forehead. You can see the arrow pointing towards the part of the face, the top part of the face described as forehead. Now, what do you do on the forehead? More often than not, you apply your highlighting concealer on the forehead. Some people also apply highlighters on the forehead. You can do any number of things on the forehead. So whenever you hear, oh, apply this product on your forehead, that part of the face labeled 11 is what we mean by forehead. So you can see, just take a quick look now from numbers 1 to numbers 11. These are the makeup terminologies associated with these different parts of the face. So I'm sure you have seen the picture neatly labeled from numbers 1 to 11. I'm sure you have a better grasp, a better idea of what we mean when we say the cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, the temple, under the eye. I mean, these are basic words that ordinarily you should grasp, but sometimes it can get confusing. Okay, so when we go into the makeup proper, the application proper, in the next video, which is going to be part 4 of our Beginner's Face Glam series, then you're going to be hearing a lot of these makeup terminologies. Okay, so just take your time now, start revising. You can pause this video, take a screenshot, or rewind, take a screenshot, and start revising and getting used to the different parts of the face ahead of our next series, ahead of our next video, which is going to be the application proper. We are going to be doing a neutral, natural, everyday makeup look. Okay, I just thought to break this video down into different parts so that you're not overwhelmed. You learn one thing at a time, and then you bring everything in for the practical application. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end, and until I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye guys.